bienvenidos a la clase de español del día de hoy. Bueno, vamos a empezar. ¿Qué nos dice este meme? Adivina quién soy. Go ahead and tell me in your warm-up what you think it says. Alright, let us move on. For some of you, hoy es miércoles el 10 de febrero, and for some of you, hoy es jueves el 11 de febrero. Para empezar, contesta las preguntas en español. Answer those questions in Spanish. This should be pretty easy by now. So go ahead. Answer the questions. Put this on pause. Put on your notes. Alright, so, essential question. ¿Cuál fue el sueño de Iván? What was Ivan's dream? So let's figure that out, right? But before we get to that, let's go over the verb jugar. The verb jugar, so we've used this verb quite a bit, right? Is to play. Is to talk about playing a sport or a game. Even though jugar uses the verbs ending uses the same ending as other AR verbs, it has different stem in some forms. For those forms, the U becomes UE. This kind of verb is called a stem changing verb. Here are the present tense. So yo juego, tú juegas, usted, él, ella juega. Nosotros jugamos, ustedes juegan. So notice how in the yo, the U changed to UE, same for the tú, same for the usted, él, ella, and same for the ustedes, ellos, ellas, but it did not change in the nosotros, right? Alright. So make sure you have that on your notes, this whole slide, please. It will help you, trust me. You want it on your notes. Make sure it's on your notes. Okay, so, practica el verbo jugar. This is pretty simple. I'll do the first one with you. Yo playing con mi hermano. So we're using the verbo jugar, so it be yo juego, right? In the yo form. Notice that the U changed to UE. Yo juego con mi hermano. I play with my brother. Alright, do the rest on your own. Make sure that's on your notes. Alright. Now, ¿a qué juegan? What do y'all play? Escribe frases para decir qué deportes practican estas personas. So write phrases to say what sports these people practice. So modelo, Alex Rodriguez. So you would say Alex Rodriguez juega al béisbol. So now you may need to do a little bit of research here because some of you don't know who these people are, although all of these are famous athletes, except for number 5. So go ahead and answer them. So on the example it says Alex Rodriguez juega al béisbol. So he was a baseball player, right? Go ahead and do the rest. Go ahead and put on pause. Do those. And finally we come to this slide here. And this is what we talked about Ivan. So, let's see what this is telling us. Now, one thing I do want you all to keep in mind as we do this is that you need to translate some of this. So, lee sobre el sueño de Iván Zamorano y contesta las preguntas. So read about Iván Zamorano and answer the questions. Mi sueño. Quiero una ciudad dedicada a los deportes, a la familia y a los niños. Quiero servicios de calidad internacional, con profesores de excelencia. En mi sueño los niños y jóvenes juegan y practican deportes para ser mejores. Este sueño ya es realidad y quiero compartirlo contigo. El lugar para hacer deportes en familia, escuela de fútbol, tenis, hockey, Ignacio de inscripción, 23 de marzo a las 8. Inicio de actividades, 1 de abril a las 14 horas. Avenida Pedro Hurtado, 2650, Las Condes, Santiago, Chile. Teléfono 212-2711. So go ahead and answer those 5 questions right here. Yeah. That should be pretty simple, right? Alright, so let's take care of that. You'll have a great day, and I will see you all soon. Adios.